Hey guys, it's Alex, and today I'm doing a review of the Umarex XBG semi-auto BB pistol. Let's dive into the specs. This gun packs a punch, shooting at 410 FPS. It is CO2 powered, which can be pricey with the CO2 cartridges, but this particular gun is only $30 US, and I got it at Walmart. It comes in a simply designed blister pack without much writing. As you can see here, the gun is similar in the simplistic design. It has a nice long trigger and a Picatinny rail. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It has some weight to it because of the full metal magazine, and it holds 19 rounds. And here's the safety, which is actually pretty cool. So you push it in, fire, and then safety, the trigger still pulls, but it won't shoot. It has fixed iron sights with a white dot on the front. And here is where you put the 12-gram CO2 cartridge. Now let's get to shooting. Okay guys, let's get down to the shooting. I'm going to take 10 shots and one practice shot, and I'm standing about 10 feet away from the target with the camera zoomed in. My practice shot. There we go. And now let's see how this gun did. Okay, so a little scattered there, but as you can see, hit 4 times on around the bullseye. And then down here we have 2 shots, 9, and then 2 shots, 8, so that would be 4, 5. We're missing 2 of the shots, but I guess that's what hit here so much and destroyed that. So overall, pretty tight groupings, not too bad. Let's take a look at, I'm using a potted plant with no plant in it. So basically just dirt in a pot as my thing to keep it. Look at that. Oh man. That like destroyed all that in there. Okay. Well, overall I'd say pretty good gun. It's pretty accurate. I would definitely recommend this gun. It's only $30. Go out, pick one up, have some fun with it. So, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.